I'm Nicholas Vardin, and I'm in the graduating class of 2025. I chose STEM just because as an extra option and seemed to align with my interests back in grade 8 when I could choose it. And so I took the test, and I've been thankful ever since. The STEM experience felt like a family, especially in the earlier years, as we were all especially with math and science, we were all in the same class. So I had 20 classmates just all together. We were like talk and hang out and struggle and enjoy the classes together. I'm very glad I chose STEM because it helped me find new interests in STEM. Like I couldn't find programming. I found a love for math, found a love for physics in general. A lot of those interests wouldn't come about if I didn't choose the STEM program. One interest that I developed during my time here was computer programming. I never thought I would enjoy it as much until I started my grade 11 comp sci class. And ever since then, I've been coding day in and day out. So a lot of the problem solving, creating new things, practically create anything. Well, a lot of them going into engineering, I'm gonna need problem solving. I'm gonna need to be able to do things by myself. I'm gonna need to be able to ask proper questions when going to professors or asking the TAs. So a lot of the independence that I've learned here is gonna help me study and prepare for exams, tests, and the workload that comes with engineering. If I could put Villanova into one word, it would be enjoyable. My time here has been a blast, and it was so fun getting to meet new people, explore new things, and even the classes were always innovative. It was always new things, learning new things in new different ways, either tactilely or visually. And it's always nice just to be here and learn.